Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reboot iPhone 12. So if you have any of the iPhone 12 series, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max and iPhone 12 mini, and you want to reboot your iPhone, maybe because your iPhone screen is not touching, or because the screen is hanging, or you got stuck at a particular point on your iPhone 12, and now the only way you can do this is to forcefully reboot the device, then here's a video for you. So for the end of this, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Literally, there is no particular function that says you can reboot iPhone 12, but there are combinations of buttons that you can use to reboot your iPhone 12. What you want to do here when you want to reboot iPhone 12 is you want to press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then the side button. So you need to press this button in a space of few seconds to reboot your iPhone 12 and then restart it. So once you press the volume up, press the volume down, press the button, press and hold it until the phone goes off itself and turns on, then it has rebooted your iPhone. So let's go and do this. Power, volume up, volume down, then press and hold the side button without holding additional buttons. So volume up, volume down, then go ahead and press the side button. You should see set power up. Once you see slide to power off, just keep holding the side button until your iPhone 12 is turned off itself. Keep holding until you see the Apple logo. Now, once the Apple logo appears, then you can release the side button. You then need to wait for your iPhone to reboot. And once the cycle is completed, you'll be prompted to type in your iPhone passcode. And once you key in your iPhone passcode on your device, this is going to reboot your iPhone 12. And then you're good. So that's it. So that's exactly how to reboot iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.